Sometimes people write things like, I was born in India. And then they write, Teacher, is this sentence true? And I usually reply, the sentence is written correctly. There are no grammar mistakes and there are no spelling mistakes. However, I don't know if it's true because I don't know you and I don't know where you were born. Is this right? Is this true? Is this correct? What's the difference between these three questions? Let's find out. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I make 3 to 5 new English learning videos each week, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to make sure that you see all of those. Okay, correct basically means that there are no errors or mistakes, or everything is the way that it should be. It can also be used as a verb, but that's not what we are talking about today. If you write a sentence and you want me to check your grammar and your spelling for you, you can ask, is this correct? If someone asks you what 2 plus 2 is and you answer 4, you are correct. And actually, you can say you are correct or that is correct. If someone says that I am from England, they are not correct because I'm not from England. I'm from the US. Also, we can say not correct or we can say incorrect. They mean the same thing. If you think you know how to do something, but you're not 100% sure, you can ask someone, am I doing this the correct way? Or, is this the correct way to do this? And in those 4 examples that I just gave you, you could also use right instead of correct, and it would mean the same thing. However, right can also mean fair, good for society, or an okay thing to do. For example, it's not right to leave your dog outside in the freezing cold. Some people think it's not right to ask a woman how old she is. If you find someone's wallet, the right thing to do is return it to them. Sometimes the right thing to do is the hardest thing to do. And if someone says you're doing the right thing, that can mean 1, you are doing the correct thing, or 2, you are doing a good thing. You are being a good person. Okay, now let's look at true. True basically means that information is correct. If someone tells you a fact that surprises you or you don't really believe, for example, Hawaiian pizza was invented in Canada, you might ask, really? Is that true? Or if someone gives you information or says something and you know that that information is not correct, you can say, that's not true. And in some of these situations, you could also use correct or right instead of true. But now let's look at a situation in which there is a clear difference between true and correct. Sometimes people write things like, I was born in India. And then they write, Teacher, is this sentence true? And I usually reply, the sentence is written correctly. There are no grammar mistakes and there are no spelling mistakes. However, I don't know if it's true because I don't know you and I don't know where you were born. In this situation, asking, is this sentence true, is not correct. Is this true is about the information or the facts. If you want me to check your English, you should ask, is this sentence correct? Or is this sentence right? You can ask, is this true, if you need me to confirm a fact. For example, you could say, Teacher, I heard that you are from the US. Is that true? And I would answer, yes, that's true. I'm from the US. So that's how we use true, right, and correct. If you found this video helpful and would like to help support this channel, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you still have any questions about this topic, please feel free to ask in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.